Navey McBride is a young American social media personality and the youngest member of the McBride family, known for their popular YouTube channel, Shonduras. She is known for her gorgeous looks, adorable smile, modeling poses, style, and amazing personality. She appeared in her first YouTube video in September 2020. She is a central character on the various vlogs that are uploaded on that YouTube channel. She has a sister named Adley and a brother named Nico. The McBrides are recognized for their family-friendly videos and engaging content on platforms like YouTube and Instagram. Navey made her first appearance on the Shonduras YouTube channel in September 2020. One of her notable appearances was in the video titled Navey Takes Her First Steps. She for the most part shares her popular outfits and displaying photographs over her Instagram. Her massive following that can be largely attributed to her ingenuity and creativity has attracted the attention of several brands across the globe.